Hello guys, how are you? It's me, your friend Mr. Prathamesh Ghatol in Germany, and it's been a long time since I've posted. So since I was cooking some food, I thought that maybe I should make a vlog of what I eat or a small recipe of the food I eat. So today we're gonna make a recipe of sprouted pulse in the Indian way, but in the German kitchen. So let's begin. Yeah, guys, so since I used this kitchen, I baked a little bit of confectionery by myself. This is not what I baked, this is just to make it hot. So I baked a few of small things. I baked like a small bread or something. I need to make chapati, but I made bread, and these are the chapatis, and I'm just keeping it to make it hot. And in order to create our recipe, we have this sprouted pulses, but they are not sprouted. That's not how it works. It needs to be sprouted. I tried sprouting it, but there is some kind of issue and it won't sprout. But we will make the curry anyway. So let's begin by chopping our onions right away. So let's begin our vlog by cooking by oil. Of course, Indian food is full of oil. 2 teaspoons of oil, and then we make it hot. And check if it is hot. It's not hot yet. We're gonna make a masala or a thick gravy which blends the whole gravy. So there are gonna be two gravies. This is the first gravy, and then we're gonna cook a second gravy. So I think it's a bit hot. So let's put in our ingredients. So a little bit of onion, ginger, and garlic, and we're gonna make it brown so that it induces all the flavor. So let's cook it until it is brown. Already it is showing its color. That's good. So, and we are gonna also add a very little bit of coconut so as to get a thick texture. Curry is always better when it's thick. It should not taste as if you're drinking a soup or something. So these are the coconut, fresh coconut which I got from an Indian store somewhere. And the main problem is this induction cooker. Oh god, this does not help. We need a really high flame, and that is the time when you know the flaws of this induction cooker. But anyways, since we're here, let's just get cooking. And after this is hot, we're gonna transfer it to a bowl, and we're gonna make it a thick gravy. Okay, so until our brown mixture is getting cool, what we'll do is, since our sprouts are not actually fully sprouted, we will just cook them and give them like a whistle or two so that it gets soft, and we'll put a little bit of turmeric so that it sounds good. Turmeric, salt to get the taste, and then the third gravy. So we're gonna put a little bit of turmeric, a little bit of salt, make it spin, and now we're gonna cover it and give it like one whistle. Yeah, let's try for one whistle. Let's see if it's. And this is the mixer I bought from India, and this is the mixture which we made it ice or hot. So why isn't it working? Go. Sounds good. Looks good. One more. Yeah. Oh ha. Nice. I think this will also get one whistle and we'll open it. And it's time to create our third gravy, which would be creating right over here, the bigger one, the thing in which everything gets together, okay? So guys, we are beginning with the third gravy. We put in a lot of oil. And our cooker, I think it has one whistle, so it's done. So whenever you start with the Indian gravy, you always second one. So okay, we'll just keep it aside to cool down. And yeah, so whenever you start with Indian gravy, the first thing you do is you make sure the oil is hot, and then you sprinkle some mustard in it. Oh no, I think the mustard was not hot. The oil was not hot and mustard is not popping, so we need to wait until the mustard pops. Okay, so we have got our mustard popping after some time. So since the mustard is popping, let's just pop in some cumin seeds. Oh god, it's so it's popping. That is very good for us. And now we will put in some onions. Hey. So we make it until it is a little bit golden brown. So we are making it golden brown. Oh, and I forgot one important thing. Asafoetida, to give it that perfect taste of the Indian food. Acetofoda, how do you call it? We call it hing, but it is called asafoetida. Asafoetida, that's how you call it. So sorry, since I know only by the local name. So now we add a little bit of curry leaves. I have the paste of curry leaves, so I just sprinkle a little bit of curry leaf paste so that all the ingredients are good. And now it's time to add our main spices. Okay, let's add some spices. And it is a real task to multitask while taking the video. So oh my god, I lost my spoon, but we'll use a new spoon. And half a teaspoon of curcum or turmeric, 1 teaspoon of spice, and this is a special masala which my grandmom gave. So we're gonna mix all of this and make it a good mixture. We'll make it good mixture. And we need to add tomato too. So yeah, this is the time when we add tomato. But since I don't have tomato, I'll be adding tomato puree to it. So let's see how it tastes. This is an English twist to Indian recipe. I've added tomato paste and we'll make it dry until it absorbs all the masala. So let's see. Now since our oil and tomatoes have dried up and it has given a bit of oil, we will add the paste which we created in our mixer grinder so as to get along. Now as you can see, the color has changed because of the white color of the gravy, and the final step which we'll be doing is the inclusion of our sprouts. So I'll be adding salt spoon as soon as the water in this mixture also dries up, and then I think our sprout is nearly ready. So finally I've added sprouts, water, sounds good. Let's make the last video and finish this vlog. It's too much. So guys, finally after a lot of effort and a lot of time, finally the food is ready. and it looks delicious and it tastes good. And now I'm gonna have some food. Bye.